You run, roll, and collect rings as fast as you can.
Ah, that sounds terrible.
Look what I found at the flea market!
Dude, is that Tomatopotamus too?
That's the best one in the entire series!
But I thought this was gonna be a Sonic and Knuckles episode.
Tomatopotamus never worked in 3D.
Game companies always ruin their beloved franchises.
They never should have changed the color of Tomatopotamus's legs.
I hate it when he does that.
So, I'm Muckfoot? But I turn into Knuckles? I'm a Werechidna!
I can finally fulfill my lifelong evil dream! Building my own theme park!
Nice meeting you. You're the handsomest fellow I ever met. Thank you, dim-witted version of me.
Your idea of evil is totally retro, without the irony.
You gotta believe me! I think I came from another dimension! One where Eggman isn't nearly as powerful.